In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Etsy and Gelato. If you sell products on Etsy and use Gelato for print on demand, connecting the two platforms will let your orders flow automatically from Etsy into Gelato for fulfillment. That means less manual work, fewer errors, and a smoother experience for both you and your customers. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each click so you can follow along in real time. First, open your web browser and log into your Gelato account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Gelato home dashboard. This is your central hub where you can see your recent activity, orders, and different settings for your print-on-demand operations. Make sure you're on this main dashboard page before moving on, so the options we talk about look the same on your screen. From your Gelato home dashboard, look for the navigation menu. Here, you'll see a section labeled Stores. This is where Gelato manages all of your sales channel connections. Go ahead and click on Stores. If you already have other integrations connected, you'll see them listed here. But don't worry if the page is empty. That just means you're starting fresh. On the Stores page, Gelato will show you a list of available platforms you can connect to, such as Etsy and other e-commerce services. Find Etsy in this list. Next to Etsy, you'll see a button that says Connect. Click on that Connect button. This tells Gelato that you want to link your Etsy shop, and it will redirect you to Etsy's authorization page. You should now be on an Etsy page asking you to grant access to Gelato. This step is important because it lets Gelato read and manage orders from your Etsy shop so it can automatically fulfill them. Take a moment to review the permissions on the screen so you're comfortable with what Gelato will be able to do. Once you're ready, simply click on the button that says Grant Access. By confirming this, you're authorizing Etsy to connect with Gelato. After a brief moment, you'll be redirected back to Gelato, and your Etsy store should now appear as connected in the Stores section. At this point, your Etsy and Gelato accounts are linked, and you're ready to start syncing products and automating your order fulfillment. If something doesn't look right, you can always return to the Stores page in Gelato to check the connection status, or disconnect and reconnect if needed.